Hello, we've got a lot going on these next 2 weeks. So, first thing I want to point out is test one is up. It'll be live on the 15th when this module is live. You only have until the 21st. So, you only have 1 week. I repeat, 1 week to take it. All right, you'll know what you get right away. There's nothing I need to go back in and grade correct. Although I say that, but somebody's going to find something I did wrong because it always happens. Not complaining. You should correct me if I'm mistaken. But your first test counts for 10% of the semester grade. The test consists of 38 multiple choice, multiple answer, and true/false questions. You will have 180 minutes, which is 3 hours. I've had people emailing me about the time. That's way more than time and a half. Everybody gets it because I don't know who has accommodations or who doesn't coming into a semester. So when I started teaching online, I just made the decision everybody's going to get time and a half plus. All right, so 180 minutes should be way more than enough time. All right, but you're only going to have one opportunity to take the test, so you can't use 180 minutes over a week. You got to sit down one day, say, okay, I'm going to take this test, and just knock it out. The exam only covers units 1 and 2 of the class, which, I mean, it's all right here. But if you go over to your syllabus, just so you know, I'm not trying to pull one over on you. Introduction, Magna Carta, American Government and Civil Engagement, Chapter 2, Chapter 4, Federalism. That's it. There's nothing on the test about the first semester experience, so don't worry about that. All right. Then Chapter 5, I mean, it's pretty normal, but beyond that, Chapter 5, assigned readings, Chapter 5. I really would encourage you to watch these videos that I put up. I inherited this curriculum from a wonderful lady who I used to work with, and I don't get as into it as she did. But I mean, these are really great, informative videos that you should watch. Chapter 5 quiz, Chapter 6, and the assignment, another video, quiz, Chapter 7, the rest of it's pretty boring. Introduction, reading. I have the lecture slides for Chapter 7 and also for Chapter 5 if you want to review those. Again, I don't make videos on those because I just don't think they're necessary. I think they complement the book, but if I was to give a lecture based on this, I'd be regurgitating the book, and if I don't have anything original to say, I don't think I need to make a video about it. But video, quiz. All right. So then we finish also the first semester experience. Module 4, mental health. Check yourself. And I know, again, I say this is only 5 points, but it goes into a category where it's 10% of your grade. Same thing with Module 5, 3 points. It's going into a category that's worth 10% of the grade. And some of you guys are not taking this seriously, and it's showing in your overall semester grade right now. So 4 or 5, then 6. This is the big essay. Reflect on what you've learned. You just follow the directions. All right. So everything, again, just to reiterate, everything that I went over just now, weeks 5 and 6, and the rest of the first semester experience, modules 4, 5, and 6, everything there is due September 28th, except for test 1, which is due September 21st. So you need to find a way to get test 1 done this week. If somebody emails me on the 26th and says I need to take the test, nope. we're done with test 1 September 21st at 11:59. All right, unless there's some really, really compelling reason why I need to open it back up for you. Don't even bother asking. It's done. All right. Introduction, Magna Carta, chapters 1, 2, 4, and then Federalism. I know that's chapter 3 in your book, but you're only responsible for my material on Canvas. So that's it. These 3 modules. There'll be an announcement what you have to do. I don't know why it keeps going back to week 3. Module 5 and 6, there's the overview page. All right. Again, test closes September 21st, not the 28th. I know that's not the norm, which is why I'm saying it so much. Everything else September 28th at 11:59 p.m. Okay. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please reach out. If not, have a good couple weeks, and I'll see you next time.